Yo. Today, bro, we got another preset video. It's been a long time, bro, so I figured, why not just make another? I'm just gonna shred into it again. This is a Vax preset. So, oh my gosh, my volume. Let me turn this down a little bit. We got the doubles. I use Metatune for all my presets, but you can use whatever auto-tune you want, really. Like, it does not matter. It just sounds like a teeny bit different. But yeah, this is mostly stock, and I use some wave plugins like NS1, DSer, stereo, and C1 gate stereo. This one's all stock. So the main preset is all stock plugins from Flstudio, bro. And this is probably the best Vax preset that you will see. Like, it sounds pretty damn similar. I got the lib. You will be getting a master, the recording preset, the main, the ad lib, and a doubles preset, bro. Like this is like the best thing that you can get right now if you want to sound like Vax. All right. So let me, just start this off by playing Vax's song. I covered Buddy Buddy, pretty fire song, bro. So let me just play it, and then yeah, we can get to the other stuff. Yeah.
There's a love like this. I wouldn't have gone the street myself. I was taking a soul. I need a wonderful witness. Oh, to start my soul and in it like that. If I didn't know there's a love like this, I wouldn't have gone the street myself. I was taking a soul. I need a wonderful witness. Oh, to start my soul and in it like that.
I've been trying to not be discreet, girl. Oh, when I see you across the street, girl, you fed me with another, don't make me these bitches way too body, yeah, for me, girl. Need a hundred dance, no less, oh yes. Spread them on my hands and chest, oh yes. Need to get a palette, touch no crest. Let me on the mic in the studio best. Summer long gone, did feel my neck. Summer long gone, did feel my neck. Yeah, pop along, get cheese like that. My time to shine, let's go and say that. Don't let her to the hoes eyes, look freeze you like you see me do so. Already told you that I can sometimes, I might be like I ain't even do it, yo. You went and tarnished your image like bad, like nigga, I can't even boost ya. I done left him in the street like why I wanted to be on the news, yeah.
Bro, this shit's low-key fire, bro. Like, it's really hard to replicate this, bro, but low-key, I think I did a pretty good job. Probably some of the best out there. And, I don't know, man, this preset that I made. Oh, what the heck? Oh, my bad. My bad. Hey, bro, I'm making I'm making a video right now, bro. Hold up. But, this is probably the yo. Zoom's vault be crazy, bro. If you know, you know. But this is probably one of the best out there. I'm gonna drop a song with this preset. I made a song with this preset. It'll be linked in the description below, or I'll just play it at the end of this freaking video. Y'all can go fuck with it. Whatever. Y'all can see what the preset is, how it actually sounds, like my voice with a different beat, different song type thing. But let me just play this shit. Y'all finna see.
Girl, oh, and I see you across the street, girl. You thought of me with another, don't make me hurt. These bitches way too buddy, yeah, for me, girl. Yeah, I've been no less, oh yes. Spin on my hands and chest, oh yes. Need to get a plan like two, no crest. Let me on the mic in the studio best. Summer long gone, do you feel my neck? Summer long gone, do you feel my neck? Get purple long, get cheese like that. My time to shine, let's go, I say bet. Don't look until it's so high to feel like you see my dudes, I already told you that I got some ties that might be like I ain't even knew ya. New one in time to show him is like why, like brody, I can't even boost her. I done left him in the street, but like why, I wanted to be on the news,
Yeah, bro. This is I don't even know, bro. It is pretty fire. Like, I do definitely fuck with it, bro. Again, these presets we linked in the description below. So if y'all want to go download it, go fuck with it. Go fuck with the song. I'm gonna put in the link to the description with this preset. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna see y'all, bro. Yes, sir. Oh.